Family in Hollister, look at what a nice job they did last night. They were going to have a big Christmas party. It was very, very nice. Look at that. Till the wind hit.
The ball.
Chaos ensued. Wind ripped up the canopy, some of it came crashing down on top of guests. The host scrambling to get it all down. Had to bring out a circular saw to take it apart. They were worried the wind would send the whole thing into the neighbor's yard.
We knew that the storm was coming, but when you set a date, there's nothing you can do, and the show must go on. The wind was kind of going all night, in and out, and the tents held down pretty well until they didn't. And when they come down, they came one at a time.
At some point, though, it's, that whole tent acts like a sail, and it wants to take off. So we were just trying to rip that thing off, get it down as quickly as possible. And at the end of the day, luckily, nobody got hurt.
That's the good news. They got it down safely, and there it was today. So a lot of stuff scattered around by the wind. They say they learned a lesson.